So let us solve a question on elasticity and total revenue. This question was asked by a brother. So the question is like this: a firm changes the price of its product and its total sales revenue does not change. The absolute value of the price elasticity of demand for its product must be. The question says if a firm changes its price of the product, its total revenue does not change. Then what can be its price elasticity of demand in absolute terms? Okay, so I have given an example. Let us say initially at price 6 quantity demanded was 4 units, and let us say price decreased to 4 and quantity demanded increased to 6 here. Okay, now you know total revenue. What is total revenue? We are being told change in price does not change the total revenue. So total revenue is equal to price into quantity. Okay. So initially at this point, what was total revenue? Total revenue was price was 6, quantity was 4. Okay. So we have 6 into 4, that is 24. Okay. And at this point, let us say this is total revenue 1 and total revenue second. When price decreased to 4, our total revenue was 4 into 6, so we have 4 into 6. Okay, so with decrease in price from 6 to 4, okay, from 6 to 4, our total revenue remained constant or same. There was no change in our total revenue. Now we need to see what is the elasticity of demand in absolute terms. Okay, so we can use the midpoint formula for percentage. Let us say P1 was 6 and P2 was 4. Okay, let me write it here. This is P1, this is P2, this is Q1, and this is Q2. Okay, now to calculate the elasticity of demand, rather price elasticity of demand, we use this very formula, percentage method. Sorry, we use point elas midpoint formula here. Okay, so percentage change in quantity is being given by final quantity minus initial quantity and average of final and initial. Okay, so q1 upon q2 upon 2 gives us the average. Similarly, percentage change in price is uh, final price minus initial price whole divided by average of the prices. Okay, into 100 to this term and to this term also. Okay, so q2 minus q1, so q2 is 6, q1 is 4, so I can write it here 6 minus 4. Okay, so let me write it here. So we have 6 minus 4 divided by 6 plus 4. Okay, q1 plus q2, so we have 6 plus 4 divided by 2 whole divided by p2 minus p1, that means 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, we have then 4 plus 6, this is average upon 2. Okay, this is the elasticity of demand. Elasticity, price elasticity of demand is given by this. That means change divided by average, change divided by average. So here we have 100 multiplied. Okay, 100 multiplied. Okay, so 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 plus 4 is 10 upon 2 is 5, so we get 2 upon 5 in the numerator, and here we get minus 2 upon, again 6 plus 4 is 5, so we get 6 plus 4 is 10 upon 2, which is 5. Okay, so this 100 and 100 gets cancelled, we get these terms cancelled, we are left with minus 1. Okay, so our elasticity, let me write it here. Okay, let us write this properly. So this was the formula here. It is very simple. So elasticity of demand came out to be minus 1, since we have to find out the absolute. Taking the values as absolute, we will get 1 is the elasticity of demand. That means we have unit elastic demand. Okay, so If the change in prices does not change our total revenue, our price elasticity of demand is unit elastic. Okay, so we will get absolute value of 1. You can use this very midpoint formula to explain this very stuff. Okay, so our total revenue remains same when the price decreases from 6 to 4. And to find out the elasticity of demand, so we apply this midpoint formula here. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.